adobo. Yummy, yummy. Today, let's make chicken breast adobo. So that's my ingredients. That's my chicken breast adobo. I already cut it, and potato, garlic, onions, carrots, and then some spices. Later, I already marinated this one with black pepper, honey, and soy sauce with the lemon juice. And here, sinusot na natin yung carrots and patatas with the onions and garlic. And after that, separate na natin ang patatas and carrots in a bowl. And then, sunod na si chicken marinated. And after that, paghalo-halo na natin lahat yung vegetables natin, potatoes and carrots and everything in a pot. Voila, ito na yun guys, chicken breast adobo. Ang sarap niya. And then by the way, wala na akong, hindi nyo na nakikita yung mga nilalagay ko na mga ingredients kasi nga, minarinate ko na siya lahat at nilagay ko na sa